going to explain about ADB, Asian Development Bank. Let's go into the topic one by one detail. It is a regional development bank established in December 1966. ADB is established in December 1966. Its headquarters is present at Mandaluyong in Philippines. It was established to promote social and economic development in Asian Pacific. Means the main aim of this ADB, Asian Development Bank, is to establish and promote the economic development in Asia Pacific region. To promote social and economic development in that Asia Pacific region. The countries under Asia Pacific region are. What do you mean by the Asia Pacific region? It is a region present in western side of the Pacific Ocean. These countries come under the Asian Pacific region. These green color countries come under the Asian Pacific region. It provides hard loans on commercial terms primarily to middle income countries in Asia and soft loans to poorer countries in the region. Means it provides hard loans to the commercial terms. It provides some hard loans to middle income countries in Asia and soft loans. What do you mean by the soft loans? Loans with below market rate of interest. The main aim of this bank is to develop the poorer countries. That is the reason this bank provides soft loans, means the loans with market rate of low interest. This bank provides soft loans to poorer countries and hard loans on commercial terms primarily to middle income countries. Loans below market rate of interest is called soft loans, and loans according to market rate of interest are called hard loans. Okay, next one is 31 members at starting. Means this ADB contains 31 members at the starting time. In 1966 ADB contains only 31 members. Now it is a 68 member bank. 68 members means 68 countries are present in that bank. Out of 68, 49 countries are Asia Pacific region countries and 19 others are other out of Asia Pacific region countries. See here in this picture we can clearly see that this green color the green color countries are Asia Pacific region countries and the blue colored countries are non-Asia Pacific region countries. Next, the present president of ADB is Masatsugu Asakawa. Means the present president of this Asian Development Bank is Masatsugu Asakawa. He is from Japan because more shares are under Japan. So a Japan person is the president of ADB Bank. Next, ADB is a social development organization that dedicated to reducing poverty in the regions of Asia and Pacific through inclusive economic growth, environmentally sustainable growth, and regional integration in the form of loans, grants, and information sharing. Means it is a social development organization. This bank is dedicated to reduce the poverty in the regions of Asia and Pacific. To what will this bank to do the reduction of poverty? It provides loans and grants and it provides some information for those countries to become economically stronger and to grow in economic way. As per the 2016 reports, Japan holds the largest proportion of shares at 15.667%. As per the 2016 reports, Japan is a major shareholder with how much percentage? 15.667 percentage. In the second place, US contains 15.567 percentage shares. Next, China is with 6.476 percentage. India is with 6.359 percentage. India is in the fourth place here. Australia with 5.812 percentage. This is about the Asian Development Bank. Means this bank mainly focus on development of weakly economic countries. Okay, this is about Asian Development Bank. Thank you very much.